Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making these rose earrings with a feather. Grab your supplies and let's do it! Roll out your purple and black clay until it is long and thin, and then chop off tiny pieces. You'll need one purple and one black piece for every rose petal. Take one purple and one black piece and mix it together. Just mix and twist until you have the pattern you would like. Do this for each rose petal. It took me about 25 minutes to mix all of mine. Assemble each rose by layering the petals on top of each other. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. I do post videos twice a week on Tuesday and Thursday. I make each rose petal come to a point in the middle. Just makes it look realistic, gives it a little bit of character. Very carefully pre-poke your eye hook holes and then add in your eye hooks. You'll need one at what would be the top of your rose. And then one on each side of the rose. The bottom will not have one. This is based on how many jump rings you would like to apply to your piece. Just keep in mind how you want your piece to look when you're done, when deciding how you want to place in your eye hooks. Now bake your roses. Glue in your eye hooks and resin your pieces. I've already connected all of my jump rings and attached my metal feather. Be sure to use an odd number of jump rings. This will make it so that the feather dangles correctly underneath the rose. Attach one end of each jump ring to the side of the rose. Attach a jump ring to the top of the rose and then add on the earring hook. And these are them when they're done. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!